Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Today's date is 24th September 2020. So, we have been doing the revision, and today we are going to do the revision of lesson 2 My Family Members. So, in this lesson, we have learned a lot of things about our family members, different roles, the jobs, and also the relationship of each one of the family members, right? So let us start. So here we begin with the definition of the family. A family is a group of people who are related to one another. When people are related to one another, like cousin, brother, sister, mother, father, grandmother, so we all are what? We all are together a family. So our mothers and fathers are our parents. We are their daughters and or sons. Our sisters and brothers are our siblings. Our mother's parents and father's parents are our grandparents. So whom we call dadu, nana nani or aita koka. So these are our grandparents. Then we have our mother's sisters and father's sisters are our aunts. Then our mother's brothers and father's brothers are our uncles. Children of our aunts and uncles are our cousins. So we have aunts, uncles, cousins, grandparents, parents, siblings. Okay, so all together we form a family, and it's a big family. Sometimes there are small family and sometimes there are very big family. So it depends upon the family. And family, suppose you can say that all the family members, they might not live together. They might suppose I am living in Guwahati, my parents are living in somewhere else. So that doesn't mean that we are not family. We are family, but we are living in different place. Then we come to the job. Some family members work to earn money. Such work is called a job. Now different family members have different jobs. So we all know that every family members do jobs. Now I am a teacher, the way same way your parents might be a teacher, or some of them might be a doctor or some businessman or an engineer. So it differs from family to family. And that if one person is a teacher, that doesn't mean the whole family members are teacher, because every family members have different jobs. Now doctor. Who is a doctor? A doctor treats people by giving them medicines. When we are sick, when we are unwell, whom do we visit? We go to the doctor. The doctor checks us and gives us medicine. Teacher. A teacher helps you learn new things. Engineer. An engineer builds things like houses, roads, computers, and so on. So when we want to build a house or roads, these engineers, they come and help us to build all these houses, roads, computers, and so on. Then we have the artist. Now artists are people whose work is to paint, draw, sing, dance, or act. Now we have the actors and actresses, we have dancers, we have singers, we have painters. So these all together, they are called artists. So they form under the head called artist, but they have different category of doing the work. Now a painter will only paint, he cannot sing or dance. A dancer cannot paint, but they are together known as artist. Business person. A business person has a company or a shop and so on. And homemakers are the parents who stay at home to take care of the house, and family members are called homemakers. Most of our mothers are homemakers. Why? Because when everybody goes for work to do their job, so who will remain at home to take care of the other family members? There should be a member who will take care of the house and the other family members, right? and that parents, it might be a mother, father, or anybody, and that parents is called a homemaker because she makes the home, she makes food, she take care of the house. This is a very important job. Homemaker has the most important job because she has to take care of all the family members and also to look after the house. Now let's come to the next part, which is to run a family, all members have different roles. Now every member, our family members, our family has different members, right? Now every members has their own role to perform in a family. Now like taking care of children and elders in the family, buying things for the house, cooking and serving the food, cleaning the house, earning money. So these are some of the things that the family members do, and these are the different roles they perform to keep the family together, to keep the family happy, to take care of the family. Now how do parents help us? How do parents help us? Yes, they make food for us. Our parents make food for us, and also when we go for shopping, they buy us clothes and toys. If we say that we want that toy, then they are going to buy it for us, and also they sometimes play with us. Then they also look after us when we are not well, when we are very sick, when we have fever, cough, or any other unwell things. Then who takes care? Parents are the first person who takes care of us. They get worried about us, and they day and night they take care of us. They help us do our homework and so on. They also, when we are unable to do the homework, they help us to do the homework too. When we don't know how to study, they will guide us. They do a lot of things. Parents have lots of roles to perform in a house or in a family. Then we have the siblings. Now who are siblings? Siblings are our brothers and sisters. What do we do with our siblings? We fight, we play with our siblings, right? And also elder sister or brother helps us when we have someone elder to us. They helps us with our homework. They also take care of us. When our parents are not at home, they take care of us. They do a lot of things. They help in a lot of way, siblings. And suppose if you do some notorious thing, they will also scold us for our good. Then we have our grandparents. So how do grandparents helps us? Grandparents teaches us good manners. They tells us stories. They are very concerned about their grandchildren, right? If you have a grandparents, then you will know that they are very concerned about you. If your parents scolds you, who comes to rescue? The grandparents come to rescue, right? So this is one of the plus point of having a grandparents. So this is it for today. So here are the main points that I have discussed with you. Go through the lesson, try to read the question and answers. I'll be giving you some revision work, try to do it, and later on I'll give you the answers, check it, okay? So here I am going to end my class. Thank you.